Hey guys, my name is Danish and today we are going to learn about how we can lower our CPU temperatures by using a software provided by Intel named as XTU Utility Software. You can download this software by the provided link given in the description. By clicking the link you will go to this website, and when you click on this Intel XTU Utility link you will be directed to the another website, and there you have to ignore the documents and download the XTU setup, which is this. Once you download the XTU setup, you can find your XTU setup in generally it is in download program folder. Now once you install the XTU software, when you install the XTU software you will get to this interface of the software. This is the information of your computer or your laptop. Generally this works best for the laptops because laptops go in higher temperatures because of the compact spaces. Now you have to go in the core section of the software, and then here you have to adjust the core voltage offset of your processor. At default it will be at 0, at equilibrium. Now you have to do this, that you have to decrease the voltage which is provided to your CPU processor. I am working on right now minus 0.70 volts, and you can adjust it up to minus 100 or minus 110. It depends upon your processor. Just be careful that don't lower the voltage too much, otherwise you will get a blue screen, and that's it. The computer will restart and you will be at default settings. The program will be reset in the default settings by default. So there is nothing much a problem. I'm using this for about a month, and my temperature has dropped over around 10 to 15 degrees. The videos are loading faster, they are exporting faster, the visuals are smooth, and the FPS in games are, I don't play so much games, but the FPS are better. I play Counter-Strike. I will show some temperatures of it, but this software improves a lot of the temperatures of your laptop. So this is a basic guide of how to lower your temperature by using a Intel provided software. Thanks. This is Danish. Peace out.